In this lesson, we're designing a business flyer using Frame Mask with a structured, professional approach. Start by setting up your document with proper margins. Business designs rely on clarity and alignment, not decoration. Select the Frame tool and create image placeholders where visuals will sit. We're deciding hierarchy before adding content. This keeps the design focused and readable. Drop images into the frames. Notice how Photoshop handles scaling automatically. This ensures consistency across all visual elements. Double-click inside a frame to adjust image positioning. This is important because business flyers demand precise framing, not random crops.